Dynaset hydraulic generator provides electricity for working in aerial platforms. An integrated generator lets you work without external gensets and loose electronic wires. Electric wiring is located inside of the boom. The compact size and lightweight allows an easy installation. Dynaset hydraulic generators in power range of 3.5 kVA up to 6.5 kVA are suitable for aerial platforms. It guarantees high-quality electricity for all AC-powered electric appliances.